Audio Jungle.
A very good morning. I am Muskan Best
and Adanshi Harmani.
Welcome to your own channel HPS Spotlight, bringing you the eye on the news.
The headlines are pre-primary activities, Color Day celebration, Blue and Pink Day, Sandpit activity, Toy Talk competition, Introducing Yourself competition, Animal from Alphabets, Green Diwali, Diya and Candle decoration competition, Dandiya stick decoration competition, Kandil making competition, Inter-house Rangoli competition, celebration of Gandhi Jayanti, Inter-house English debate competition, Animal from waste cardboard My Jungle, dry leaf activity, poster making competition on wildlife, excursion and trips.
Audio Jungle.
Pre-primary activities, different color day celebration. The pre-primary section of Himalayan Progressive School celebrated different colored day like Blue Day and Pink Day. Blue Day, the kindergarten section of Himalayan Progressive School celebrated Blue Day. Blue, the color of loyalty, strength, wisdom and trust, had a very positive impact on tiny tots, bringing in harmony and brotherhood. The dress code of the day was blue. All the children dressed up in different shades and hues of blue. To make the activity more inclusive, children brought different objects like toys, decorative items, and drawing based on the theme. Blue Day was an amazing learning experience that had a long-lasting effect on every student. Children enjoyed the activities with immense enthusiasm and zeal. It was a pleasant and a cool blue day for the tiny tots.
The good effects of pink kindles, friendship, harmony and affection. It was wonderful to see our children bloom and blossom in different shades of pink. The young ones came dressed in pink color and brought pink colored toys. All pink color objects were displayed in the class and children were introduced to different shades of pink. Kids enjoyed a lot and simultaneously understood the aesthetic sense of pink color. It was indeed a visual treat to witness little ones dancing and glowing in pink. Thus, the purpose of celebration of pink color day was fulfilled.
Sandpit activity. A small sandpit outdoors can bring your baby or toddler hours of pleasure and there are lots of learning benefits. First, they can explore the texture of sand and how it behaves. Second, they will develop control of small muscles and hand-eye coordination as they dig, scoop, pour or mold sand. Third, children often squat by playing in the sand and squatting is good exercise. Fourth, it encourages imagination. With this aim in mind, the kindergarten section of Himalayan Progressive School organized sandpit activity.
Toy Talk competition. It was a day of sharing each other's toys at Himalayan Progressive School by tiny tots. Recently, the students at HPS School had a day of toy sharing. The children were asked to bring toys from home, including their favorite toy. The children took turns to talk about their favorite toy. The children were sharing and playing with their friends' favorite toy and enjoying the activity.
Self-introduction competition. A self-introduction competition was conducted by the kindergarten block of Himalayan Progressive School. Introducing oneself to the world is an art. The exposure of this kind boosts the confidence of children and helps them to be more social. A confident mind leads one to the great success, even when the tides are against them. Children were excited and felt more confident when they introduced themselves to an audience. There are many among us suffering from confidence issues such as public speaking fear. Diwali celebration by tiny tots. On this joyous occasion, the pre-primary classes of Himalayan Progressive School celebrated Diwali with enthusiasm on 12th. Principal Mr. Rajesh Sharma, who was a part of the celebration, was appreciative of the effort put in by the little ones. Later in class, the festivity continued as the children decorated diyas, created rangolis, torans, paper lanterns, etc., guided by their teachers.
And candle decoration. In order to first, and second was main objective of this competition was to explore the students' imagination and creativity.
Dandiya Stick Decoration Competition. On the festival of Diwali, students from grade 3 to 5 has participated in Dandiya Decoration Competition. All students brought decorative material on their own. Students decorated dandiyas with colorful glitters and decorative material to feel Diwali vibes.
Kandil making. To make this Diwali a special time, kandil making best out of waste competition was organized for the classes of 6 to 8. The idea is to create a celebration mood and also promoting Indian culture and values.
Inter-house Rangoli making competition. Rangoli is a fabulous hand drawing art in which patterns are created on the floor using materials such as colors, diyas, flower petals, glitters, etc. It is a way to express imagination. The purpose of Rangoli is decoration and it is thought to bring good luck as well. Keeping this in mind, Inter-house Rangoli making competition was organized at Himalayan Progressive School for the students from 9 to 12th. The theme for the same was Diwali. Children put in lots of efforts and came up with amazing ideas. They used mirrors, diyas, laces, glitters and other decorative material to beautify their rangolis.
Special assembly was organized by students of class 5. Principal of Himalayan Progressive School, Mr. Rajesh Sharma, pledged and encouraged the students to celebrate pollution-free Diwali with loved ones and congratulated the winners. In this address, he exhorted the students to celebrate Diwali by giving gifts to the poor and needy rather than burning crackers.
Celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. On 2nd October, India celebrates Gandhi Jayanti, birthday of the great leader who gave the world the invincible weapon of truth, non-violence, compassion and peace. Mahatma Gandhi always insisted on truth and non-violence as an inseparable part of humanism. The Gandhi Jayanti celebration was held in school on the 1st October. The school organized a special assembly to mark the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. The assembly kick-started with a guard landing of Mahatma Gandhi's portrait and lighting of a lamp commemorating Gandhiji's birthday. The entire school seemed to feel the essence of Gandhiji's presence. HPS celebrated Bapu's birthday with great zeal, enthusiasm and patriotism. Principal of Himalayan Progressive School, Mr. Rajesh Sharma, tell the importance of Gandhi Jayanti and also said that in the recent days of increasing communal and social tension, the ideas of Gandhiji can show the way out and bring back harmony, peace and stability in the whole society.
Animals from waste cardboard, My Jungles for classes 4 and 5. One of the activities at Himalayan Progressive School was to create 3D animal portrait using old egg cartoons and other type of common waste. The first step was for each and every student to make a sketch of the animal they wanted to feature, paying special attention to the essential features that make the animal unique, like a long neck for a giraffe or big ears for an elephant. Then they sought out waste that could be used to bring those animals to life in a 3D portrait. It's wonderful to see how the children view the materials they ordinarily recycle. Rubbish has been transformed in their minds to resources they can repurpose into unique masterpieces.
Inter-house English debate competition. An inter-house debate competition was held at Himalayan Progressive School. The speakers of classes from 9 to 12 of all 4 houses spoke on the topic. The highlight of the event was the question-answer round, as a volley of questions were answered confidently by both the sides. The session includes opinion, thoughts, idea and perspective that definitely enhance the knowledge and understanding of the topic among students.
Dry leaf activity from class 6 to 8. EVS has chapters related to environment and importance of plants. To enhance their artistic skills, the school organized an activity. They get together in activity period with great enthusiasm and zeal, work towards the accomplishment of this task. From pasting leaves to drawing tails and eyes, from sharing sheets and leaves, they help and advised and cooperated with each other. This activity has brought a twinkle in their eyes.
Visit to Aryabhatta Planetarium, Rampur, Uttar Pradesh and Raza Library by class 10th and 12th Science. Students learned about astronomy and various aspects of using a public library, especially of such historical importance. The library was more than 1 lakh manuscripts, 83,000 printed books, besides 5,000 miniature painting albums, 3,000 specimens of Islamic calligraphy, and 250 palm leaves, art objects, and astronomical instruments. Also, the historical coins were available in the library. Students asked different questions about the collection and preservation techniques used in the library. After all the students visited the library where the manuscripts, calligraphy, coins, books, etc. were collected and preserved. It was a new, interesting and informative experience for all of us. The purpose of this tour was to make the students aware of the library organization, functions and various services provided in the library. We all had a safe, enjoyable tour with lots of information. School Kicha organized a visit to Gurdwara Puri Tanda. The students were excited to see the most eminent Sikh Gurdwara. Children covered their head with scarves and washed their feet. Children were involved in a small prayer in which all of them diligently participated. They heard Shabad patiently and also joined the community food langar. The children were delighted to receive the prasad. The visit aimed at making the students enlightened about Sikh Gurus and their contribution to the society. Principal Mr. Rajesh Sharma said that it was a pleasant and enriching experience for the children.
Poster making Wildlife. Wildlife Week is celebrated all over the country in the month of October every year to protect animal life. The students participated enthusiastically in the competition, showing concern for the wildlife. It was a great opportunity to watch these young minds creating and displaying. The students thoroughly enjoyed the activity.
This was school progress for the month of October. Stay tuned for more school updates. This is Danshan Hanwani and
Muskan Best
signing off. Thank you.
Audio Jungle.